Hi everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a haul video slash get ready with me video because I'm excited. I got a whole bunch of new Farmasi products in yesterday. I have a sample of the Farmasi Stay Matte foundation. I'm going to be trying this out today. So that's what I'm going to get started with. I'm going to go ahead and start putting this on. You don't even need a whole lot of their foundations. So that's this one. I'm in color 03. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put this on real quick. Trying not to get this on my table. I hope everybody's doing well today. So you don't need a whole lot. And I love these products because even this one smells like kind of like candy or marshmallows or something. All of the products are pretty well smelling and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub this in. Well, I like to use my fingers. You are welcome to use a brush or a sponge or whatever you guys like to use, a beauty blender. This foundation does not contain SPF, so you will have to put on SPF separately if you're wanting, you know, sun protection for your skin. I've strictly been using Farmasi products lately, and my skin has been like clearing up so much, like compared to when I was using like products with more chemicals in them and everything. Because in the US, not many chemicals are banned from skincare, but with Farmasi, so many are banned from skincare that it's just amazing and unreal how well your skin will do. And it gives you, this one gives you like a matte finish, and so if you have oily skin, this one's going to be really good for you. And it comes in a wide variety of shades, but this is the sample Stay Matte, mineral enriched. It's a pore minimizer, it's oil free, shine free, and sebum control, whatever that means. Okay, so that was step one. I got the, I'm trying to figure out which one it is. It's this one. I got the eyeshadow primer from Farmasi, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm going to go in with this now. And it looks like that on the inside. And just apply this to my eyelids before I apply my makeup. And I mean, you could wear this alone if you want to, or you can put like, you know, shadows over it. Just use it as like a base or a primer. I like to do the brow bone and I like to do the eyelid, but you are welcome to just do the eyelid if you want, or the brow bone, or whatever you like best. But this alone gives you a nice coverage, and you don't even need a whole lot. Alright, so I'm just going to let that dry here for a couple minutes, and I really like this palette here. It's the 3-in-1 face palette, and I showed it on another video before, and it comes in a really nice box, shimmery box, and I really like it because it has the bronzer, it has the highlighter, and it has the blush in one. So I'm just going to go in with a blush. I know I'm going a little out of order, but I guess there is no right order to do makeup. So I'm just going to go in with some of the blush pan of this 3-in-1 face palette while I'm waiting for my eyeshadow primer to dry. So that gives you a nice rose color. And then I'm going to go in with this highlighter in the middle there and highlight my forehead and my cheekbones. And my cupid's bow, and I like to highlight the tip of my nose. Okay. And now I'm going to go in with this cream shadow that we have. I have brown sugar. It's a Farmasi cream eyeshadow in the color Brown Sugar, which is really pretty. I'll show you guys that. And so I'm going to go in with some of this on my lids here. Do both sides because you don't want to be uneven eyeshadows here. And what I like to do is apply this as a base for other eyeshadows, like for powder shadows. But you can wear it alone if you just want, you know, like a fast eye look where you just throw on a cream eyeshadow, then that's fine. I really like this shade because it's kind of like a brown bronzy shade, so it's pretty, and it's a pretty neutral one. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with my eyeshadow in Silver Ring, and this is the mono eyeshadow, which means like a single eyeshadow, and it's in Silver Ring because I really like this, the silver color, so I picked that as the shade that I got first, and I'm just applying this onto my lids on top of that cream shadow and the eyeshadow primer from Farmasi. And it's really making the eyeshadows pop out more and giving them more like definition and everything, so you can see them better. The color is more, you know, is better. Okay, so that's Silver Ring. Now, I am going to, I want to show you guys this highlighter palette that I got. It's a 3-pan, just like the 3-in-1 face palette. It comes in a box like this, highlighter palette. And it's a 3-pan. So it has 3 different highlighters in there. And this is an awesome palette. You can use these as eyeshadows. Like, that would be really cool. Okay, so what I'm probably going to do is use one of those as an eyeshadow, but I'm also going to go in with this one in the 3-in-1 face palette. These are not just face palettes. You can use them for your eyes too. I'm going in, let me get a different brush, with this middle one there. I mean the end one, that's not middle one. And I'm going to use this as a like defining eyeshadow for my brow bone kind of thing. And I know it's not an eyeshadow, but it can be used as one, because there's no limit of what you can use these palettes for, because they're safe and you can use them pretty much anywhere on your face if you want to. Heck, if you want to use them on your lips, you can. Alright. So I use that as my crease shade. And then I'm going to dip into the new highlighter palette I have. And I'm probably going to use this middle shade right here for my brow bone to highlight it. And this is very pigmented. It's like a really pretty gold, like a kind of a white gold, like a white kind of gold shade. That's what I can best describe it as. It's really pretty. Okay, so that is using that highlighter palette. Now I'm going to use a new liquid lipstick that I got from Farmasi. This is in 206, or Confident is the shade name. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, show you guys the wand, and I'm going to put it on my lips. So it's kind of a purpley, wow. I like the, let me smell it. It has no smell, but when you put it on your lips, it has like this very silky smooth feel to it. And it's not sticky at all, which I love because I hate sticky lipsticks or liquid lipsticks or anything. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just go in with this eyeliner pencil, Express Eye Pencil, waterproof. It's in black, Farmasi eyeliner. And the tip is very nice. Like it's like a liquid eyeliner in a pencil. So I'm just going to go in with this on my eyes. It glides very nicely. I always go back and fix anything on my eyes. So if you at first don't do a good job with your eyes, I'm gonna move this a little closer. Then you can always go back and fix it. So there's that on that eye. I'm gonna go on this side and do it too. I'm having a hard time trying to shift my hand around to do it though. So this is really nice, and they just came out with new colors for these ones. They used to just have black, now they have other shades they just released. So there is more than just black in this awesome eyeliner. And I am gonna go and purchase those for one of my next orders because they're awesome. I love this. I mean, they apply so like effortlessly and everything. I'm just fixing the side right there. And I like to go in and just fill in anything that I missed because it helps. If you just do one swift motion and don't go back and fill it in, it's gonna look kind of funny. And you don't have to take all of your eyeliner off just because you made one mistake. You can just go and fix it. So it's good. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just go in with our awesome Zen mascara and put that on my eyes. This is the brush of it. And it gives your eyelashes like such volume. And this is actually my first time trying the liquid lipstick and I love it. It's like, it dried down to a really nice finish and it feels comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel sticky or tacky or anything like some liquid lipsticks do. It just gives you a comfortable feel, like you don't have any lipstick on at all, which I like. Okay, so this is using the Zen mascara, getting the volume up on my lashes here. Okay, I'm trying to think, is that everything? I think that's everything. All right, so this is a full face of Farmasi makeup. I do want to show you guys one more thing though. This is one of the nail polishes from Farmasi, and this is in the shade Lady Marmalade. And it's the glossy 7 days, up to 7 days. So I'm going to be trying this out. So I'm excited about that. But, and also Farmasi just came out with a new catalog and they released 30 new products. So please do check out my website below and you'll be able to see the new products that Farmasi came out with. The quality continues to blow me away every day. The more I use the products, the more I love the products. And my face, I mean, it like covers every flaw on your face. Like this Stay Matte foundation that I tried today, and all the other foundations that I tried do the same thing. All right, well, thank you everybody so much for watching. Please do subscribe and comment below, and you can check out my website as well below for Farmasi. And I will see you guys in my next video. I hope everyone has a wonderful Thursday. All right, bye everybody.